Mini Talks is watching the 4th of July fireworks from a distance, as we know what happened in Michigan today during the Independence Day parade. Somebody fired shots and 6 people were killed. This is supposed to be a happy day because it's the Independence Day celebration, and yet we still hear killing in the news just in time for the 4th of July parade and fireworks. So it seems like the people around here are distancing from each other. So I'm right here at the Long Beach Convention Center, the viewing deck, and I could still see the fireworks and the Cinemark Theater right across. So still lots of people, they're distancing from each other so that we can keep an eye on each other, that no bad elements are present. So it started at 9 o'clock and it's been running for almost 15 minutes now, so it should be over pretty soon. And so far, this is our second fireworks display for the 4th of July since COVID-19 started in March 15, 2020. Look at that, it's still beautiful. And look at the traffic. It's not moving. kind of strange that it echoes behind me, you know. Yeah, I think this is the finale. Okay, yes. Yeah. Yes. It's almost 20 minutes already, so this is how it will end with a big bang. Oh, look at that. Yes, yeah. More, more. Oh, happy 4th of July. Yes, the people are applauding. And that's the end of it. And thank you for joining me tonight here at the Long Beach Marina. So far, no incident. And for those who were victims of gun violence, my heart goes to all the family of the victims in today's gun shooting. And as always, you stay safe and healthy. Good night.